Cybersecurity is a top national concern. The biggest challenge is finding cyber-educated people. In 2011, only 4% of teachers surveyed taught students about cybersecurity careers, so students are often unaware of this critical issue. USA Today, in cooperation with the United States Department of Homeland Security and the National Cybersecurity Alliance, have developed a project which can be found on the USA Today website. The project increases student awareness about internet dangers, cybersecurity careers, and companies where these jobs are needed. The project includes clear instructions, numerous examples, and several graphic organizers for students, either alone or in pairs, to explore a chosen cybersecurity career. The project taps into each student's creativity. It requires them to design their own visual aid and then give a final oral report about their findings. The project even suggests an extension where students contact and interview local cybersecurity professionals. This type of project allows students to practice critical 21st century skills such as problem solving, use of technology, and oral communication.